Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Triple A Tech, your go-to channel for amazing tech tips and tricks. In today's video, I will show you a simple but super effective trick how to hide files or folders using the command prompt. This method is perfect for protecting your sensitive files from prying eyes. Let's get started. First, we need to open the command prompt. Go to the search bar on your PC and type CMD and open it. Before we use the command, let's navigate to the folder where your files is located. I have a file I have a folder called secret folder on my desktop. Here is how we navigate to it. Type cd desktop and hit enter. This moves us into the folder. Now again type cd secret folder. Now you can see here is my two files 1.mp4 and 2.mp4. Now clear the screen. Now here is the magic command. Type the following and press enter. Attrib space plus h space plus r space plus s and file name 1.mp4. Before hit enter, I will show you the folder where the file is located. Now you can see when I press the enter. Now you can see here when I refresh it, it will hide. It will disappear. Let me explain. Plus H makes the file or folder hidden. Plus S marks it as a system file, making it harder to find. Plus R makes the file or folder read only, so it cannot be modified accidentally. Even if you enable hidden items, the folder was not appear because it is marked as both hidden and a system file. Amazing, right? What if you need to access it again? No problem. Use this command to unhide it. Attrib -h -r -s and again for file name. When I hit enter, it will show you again file. There it is. You can see here. Make sure to remember the exact name and location of the folder you have hidden. Don't hide critical system files. They are essential for Windows to function properly. Use this trick responsibly, especially if you are sharing your computer with others. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to hide files or folders using CMD. This is one of those cool tricks that not everyone knows about, but now you are in the loop. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Triple A Tech for more tech tips and tricks. Got any questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in comments below. I had love to hear from you. Jazakallah khair for watching and I will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.